In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Bitwarden recovery codes. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your Bitwarden account due to a lost device or forgotten password, having access to your recovery codes is crucial. Let's walk through this together so you can ensure you're never locked out again. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Bitwarden web vault. You can do this by going to vault.bitwarden.com. Once you're on the Bitwarden site, you'll need to log in with your credentials if you're not already. Once you're in your vault, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. You'll see a section labeled Settings. Click on that to proceed. This will bring you to a page where you can adjust a variety of account settings, but today we're focusing on security, so go ahead and click on Security. Here, you'll see a range of security options available to you. What we want is the section on two-step login, sometimes referred to as two-factor authentication. This is where you'll control the security measures that protect your account, adding an extra layer of security beyond your password. Click on two-step login to proceed further. As you arrive at this section, you're going to want to look for the option that says View Recovery Code. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Bitwarden will prompt you to enter your master password. This is an important security measure to ensure that only you have access to your recovery codes. So, type in your master password carefully, double checking for accuracy. With your password entered, press Continue. You should now be able to view your recovery code, a crucial element for regaining access to your account should you ever need it. It's highly advisable to copy this recovery code and store it in a secure place, such as a password manager or a secure notes application. Once you've securely stored your recovery code, you can close this window. If you ever need to use your recovery code, you'll need to start by entering your email address on the Bitwarden login page and clicking Continue. Then look for the option to use your recovery code. Click on it and you'll be guided to a new screen. Here, you'll need to input your email address, master password, and the recovery code you just obtained. Once you've filled in these details, hit Submit, and you should regain access to your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully recovered and used Bitwarden recovery codes. Remember, security is paramount, so always ensure your recovery codes are stored securely. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.